Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to implement Google OTP generator. So example of this is G-12345. So capital G hyphen and some random numbers 5 digits it will return. So in this way we want to generate OTP. Google OTP. So for this implementation, we are going to use random module and string module in Python. From random module, we are going to use sample function so that shuffles some digits. So whatever arguments we are passing, so those will get shuffled and it will return one list. And from string module, we will take digits. So that will be those will be 0 to 9 digits. So to implement this, first from random module we will import sample function. Then from string module we are going to import digits, right? So now we got these two. So what this sample function will do, so this sample function, so I will take here one s variable, and this sample function I am going to use, and to this sample function I am passing these digits. So digits, so what this digits will be 0 to 9 digits. We got this from string module. So instead of giving here those numbers, so we are taking digits from this string module, right? So now digits we got. Now we want 5 digits OTP. So 5 digits in our OTP. So for that I will give here 5, right? So what the sample function will do, it will randomly shuffle those elements and it will return us 5 numbers. So it will return one list. So we will print this list on the console. So if I run this program, I got this list. So what is our next task? So this is one list we got. So what we want to do, we want to join this. So we want to join these elements, right? So for this we need to use join method. So here join method we are going to use, right? And to this join method we are passing output of this sample function, right? So now again we will see what we got. So if I print this on the console, now whatever this, so see here we got here different numbers and here different numbers. So it is randomly generating numbers. So because of that, it is not like that here whatever numbers we got here we will get same here. No. So it, as it is generating randomly, that's why we are getting different numbers, right? So now we got here these five numbers, right? So means this part is completed, means we got this 5 numbers. Next is, so each OTP of Google is having this capital G and hyphen. So this is string, so we will do here string concatenation. How to do that? Using plus operator we can do. So plus I am doing here, and what I want to do here, concatenate capital G and hyphen, right? So now in this way we have generated OTP. So now we will print this on the console. So now in this way we got here OTP G hyphen 23459, right? So in this way you can generate Google OTP using Python's random and string module. So now here we will properly print this using f string. OTP is this, right? So now we will run this program, right? So OTP is G97154, right? So in this way you can implement Google OTP generator using this random and string module in Python. If you like this video, please like it, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.